So today we're going to be opening up some puppy houses and kitty condos from the Dollar Tree. The puppy house is series 3 and the kitty condo says series 2. I've never seen or opened these before, but even if the kitties and the puppies inside aren't painted well or something, I don't know what to expect, to tell you the truth. They are from the Dollar Tree. I got them at the Dollar Tree in Canada. The color combinations on the puppy houses were amazing. There were, I think, 3 or 4 different color variants on this, but I never found the puppy houses. I might not have even gotten the kitty condos, but I did choose the color that I would think would work in my diorama the best. So that's what I did, but I loved all 3 different shades that I found of the puppy houses. I think all of these, I mean, this looks like super retro. It looks legit. Now this one's a little more modern. I think that is why I like these ones, because they're like an old-fashioned animal carrier. And here's the other color here. Let's try not to knock Ken over here. But yeah, I really love this color combination. This one really, really matches inside. Have you opened any of these? Do you like them? Sometimes when I discover these and I find them, then I'm like, oh no, it's way too nice, and then I really get upset that I missed the other series. But it's been a long time. I think there's also candy in here. I'm going to try not to eat it. And maybe they have the same, oh no, there's all of these different pets. So I didn't know if the same colors would have the same pets, but then I thought that would be cool because we just have twin pets. I think that these will look a lot better when they have all of the stickers and packaging off of them. Okay. So this is just a sticker. I do see some gum sticking to it. Oh, that's a cute door, but I am going to have to do something about the leftover gum residue. Okay, that is kind of cute. However, again, this is much more modern than something that I would be interested in. I'm also interested in, maybe I can mix and match the different colors, especially on the dog carriers, to see. Okay. I didn't have to take off the handle, but I just wanted to do that anyway and test it out. So once you take off the cardboard part, you can see inside. Oh, and on this side, another clear, but there's a checklist, and the door opens, I guess, from the bottom. Push up. Wait, can you do that in the store? Oh, it's this wrap that goes around that would prevent that. And then inside, oh, these are nice. They're like those garbage pail candies that I had when I was a kid. And you could take out all the dirty garbage and stuff and eat it, but that's a really nice candy shape. Those are adorable. Too bad they're not plastic. I would have liked that a lot better. Right, and then you would take out, oh, the kitty's gone. We're going to get to the kitty. I got to take out this propaganda and see what's happening in that. No sticker. I don't want to eat the candy. Calvin, oh, it has a whole write-up history. Oh, it's all of them. So it's a checklist and tells you a little bit about each pet. That is kind of adorable. I did collect some plushes from Walmart that did that too, but they did not have bios that were this long. And then they did it, these are like Canadian and French. So maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's check out the paint. And is it a good size? That's also something we don't. The paint is actually really, really good. Wow, okay, I'm shocked at how good that is. How is the scale, though? I guess the good thing about cats and dogs is that there's, different sizes of them. It does look like a little kitten. It looks like a pretty good size. I'm pleasantly surprised. Uh-oh. Am I going to have to collect the whole series? I don't know. Do I like the house? I don't know. Let's make some room. Let's bring over one of these shelves that I made from the dollar store. What I did was I glued 2 of those crates together, and then I put some of the cubes on the bottom. I love this piece of furniture. It's one of my favorite pieces. It's just simple. That is what I want. I really like these crates too. Check that out. The translucent sides on them. A door, and it would close up. I don't know how I feel about putting pets in carriers, though, to tell you the truth, or the domestication of animals in general. I guess they need us as much as we need them. All right, let's open this red one. I think it's the most retro. The thing about the puppy houses is that they also have this tag, which is a little bit out of scale, to be honest with you. So I will take that off because it's like it's kind of like a normal size tag, but I actually like this tag, and maybe there's something I can do with this for my own, or maybe it can be something else. It might look really cool. I like that. Again, it's the natural colors that I like. If I take off the sticker, there might be something that I can do with it. So the puppy house, there's a tear tab in the back. I guess we have to move Ken here out of the way. Don't fall. Have you checked out my Hot Wheels skate videos? Those shoes are amazing. I can't get over them. They look so good with his World Peacekeeper's jacket that he's got on right now. He's gonna fall. Is he balancing on the shelf, or is he standing on his own? I don't know. And then Barbie's just standing there in her tennis core outfit. We have them here for the scale. So let's see what else we got here. I am curious. Did I have 3? Or did I just get 2? Kitty condos. Okay, there's no tear tab that I'm finding. Maybe it's on the front. Maybe I should have my scissors. Maybe I should have a garbage can too, so I don't make too much of a mess. Alright, so we take that off now. And then I guess it's showing you the houses you collect. Have you seen these at your Dollar Tree? Let's take off the sticker in the front. Even though it's a pretty cute logo sticker, but it is going to make the puppy house, the puppy carrier, look that much more legit. Oh no. Oh, they made it too cute by putting a paw on the front. Anyway, I would have liked it so much better if it was just the grate. But nonetheless, and then you see there's more paws there. So they made it a little more tacky. There's no see-through like the new, more modern Kitty Condo. Oh no. The door is tight, which I guess is a good thing. It functions pretty well. Oh, can I put the handle back on? Oh. Kind of a match. Does the handle always match the door? Yeah, it seems that's what they like to do. But again, you can match it up. So in this case, oh, this looks just like I have some little plastic bones. So maybe I'm assuming that's candy. Maybe these are plastic. These don't look like the same kind of candy, but again, they're a really great shape. Maybe they're not candy. No, it says candy surprise. Adorable. I really like the mold on both of these things. Really, really quality design. All right. And then we have the same sort of thing here. It's a smaller checklist, though. A smaller piece of paper. Is it in both languages? I believe it is, too. We have to do that in Canada. They made it mandatory, I think. Sometimes things get snuck by, and it looks like there's 2 surprises in here, so I like that even more. Right. This is adorable. The paint, again, is really, really good. I'm very surprised, and I'm very surprised by the design, and it's a really, really nice design. And the paint these are exceptional. Maybe they're not even made for dollar store. And then we get this other little cardboard box, I think it is. And you can sit him inside. But the thing is he to scale? the carriers are definitely to scale, but is this little lapdog? I mean, I've seen stuff on Instagram, little tiny puppies in Asian countries running around looking just this cute. So I think that that is definitely doable. It's just this tiny little feathery little bird-like puppy. We're scoring really well with the cute pets. All right, let's I should have opened a puppy house first. Okay, I am very disappointed that the grate is interrupted by that little puppy paw, but okay. Yeah, it could have been better. Look, it's deceiving because of the sticker. All right, I'm going to open up another one of these. I'm going to open up my favorite one. Or maybe the red one is my favorite because it does look so retro. Maybe I'll leave the sticker on this time. Do you think I'll get doubles? That would be sad. Do you think that the same colored ones... Oh, it's really hard. I'm going to tear apart my fingernails opening this. It's hard to open the door. Kind of want one of my tools. Where's my letter opener? It's usually right there. Was I using it for something? I don't want to cut this, but okay, there we go. Yeah, that helped just by sticking a little something inside. Again, the door does have the paw on it, and again, we do get the same treat, which are bones, in that instance, which are candy. And then, okay, it seems like they're always going to be tiny little puppies, and maybe they don't always come with an accessory. Okay, this one does come with an accessory, except it's in its mouth. Look how cute that is. Even if this wasn't, these are amazing. I've never seen anything at the dollar store painted this well. I mean, we're just getting one tiny little puppy, but also the carrier is really nice. And I'm not so sure about the scale, but they could be plushes or toys or shelf decoration. So it doesn't matter. Barbie is loving the puppies. All right, let's open up the last kitty carrier one, and maybe we won't get any doubles. I mean, I'm not going to read about the different cats and how they, I'm assuming it's what they're like. She's glamorous and high maintenance, for instance. That's cute. That does sound like a kitty. Most of them are. And then the fact that we get little accessories, the little paper in the mouth is kind of adorable, though. All right, let's see here. All right. And then open up this. Kitty Condo. Is there one that I want the most? I see a grumpy one. I think, well, a few of them look grumpy. I like that one, though, the one with the pouty mouth. Do you know your different cat types? Do they have different names and stuff? Let's see what's going on here. So the cat condo opens from the bottom. And again, yes, they're the same candies. These ones are multicolored, but little fish. Can you see the design? It is so cute. It is so cute. I do wish they were pieces of plastic. And then inside, we put the carrier. Oh, Ken isn't standing on his own. I thought he was. There we go. Put the carrier on the shelf here. Here. Carrier storage. It's kind of nice how this little box matches the cat carrier, even though it came with a puppy. And here we have the stretching kitty. What do you think of that one? Again, painted very nicely. Really cute. And I mean, it's definitely a smaller cat, but it's a pretty good size for 1/6 scale. Cute. Ken is covered in cats. Crazy cat Ken. This house. I guess I have to take off the sticker. Love these colors. Very, very nice. Let's put that on the shelf. And then, oh, how sad. We only have one left to open. Am I going to have to buy all kinds more of these? Put that sticker up there. Oh, I can't see that. Put the sticker on the wall here for a second. There's a glare. Oh, there we go. Puppy house. Got all kinds of mess. Put the mess away. I'll probably save the checklists. Will I save this piece of cardboard? I don't know, I've been very rough with them. Look at the puppies. They actually do hold stuff in their mouths a lot. I'm kind of hoping for a separate accessory there. I think those are kind of more fun than the ones that are attached. But I don't know enough about these to know what they possibly could be. I've never seen anybody open them. I'm not sure if they're exclusive to Dollar Tree. They might be a real toy company. Wait, does it say? I could have looked for that too. Maybe I'm just lucky to get them. Maybe they're only available in Canada. Exclusive brands. Does it say anything about Dollar Tree on here? No, but it does say something about Mississauga, Canada, which is where I live. But all Mattel toys usually say Mattel Mississauga, Canada on them. We're like the head distribution. I guess it's because we're attached to the St. Lawrence Seaway. There are the bones. Big city, East Coast. And here is a puppy with a bone in its mouth, and it's laying down. They really did give them cute poses. I mean, you can really go wrong with the designs of toys from the dollar store, but these are adorable. Look at the sculpt. Look at the design. That puppy would look so cute sitting on my couch. Should I grab my couch? Let's see here. I can at least grab the ottoman, and we can see. Definitely check. If you haven't seen my ottoman, if you haven't seen my diorama, definitely want to check that out. But look how luxurious that looks for him, sitting all cute there, rolling around. I mean, he is just a puppy, if we're talking to scale. Again, let's bring crazy puppy lady Barbie over here. See if we can balance him on her shoulder. So you can see how she, oh no, oh, people don't like that. That must be really distressing. I apologize. I mean, it's a tiny little puppy. What do you think? Does the scale work? I think the scale does work if they're puppies. Anyway, adorableness, cute, 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 cute. Let me know if you've collected any. Do you have a favorite one? Is there one that I should look out for? Is there one that's bigger than the rest? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching today. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.